Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving to something really practical, creating Azure storage account using Python SDK version 2. So we will be using Azure SDK to automate this process, which is super helpful when you are working on a large project or need to set up a resource programmatically. And let's get started. And in the last couple of videos, I showed you how to create a storage account manually using the device here, the graphical user here, or using CLI, which is a command line. And today I will try to show you, as I said, Python SDK. But before we jump in this, make sure that you have Azure subscription, also a permission to create a storage account, Python installed in your PC, in your machine, and SDK package is already installed. As I said, as I will show you here, this is the Python. I will try to minimize this so it will be in this window here. Okay, and let me just show you what are the most uh, packages are needed for the Azure itself for Azure. So this is the ML AI machine learning. This is identity for the subscription. This is management resources for resource management, and this is for storage, and yeah, proper storage, and this is management storage. How can you download it? Because I'm using Pewtree. Oops, I can just type Pewtree add, and let's see this one here. I also show upload some videos on how to install Beauty and how to add packages and etc. So you can go to and check these videos. So let me just see. I need this management storage. I will just hit enter. This will install everything if it's not already here. But right now it will see it's already installed. As you can see here, storage account is already there. But this is how to install it with Beauty. But if you have no Beauty, you can just type the traditional command install and hit enter. This will also install it without any issues. So as you can see, it's already installed. Okay, now let's see that the first with the Python code. The Python code is a storage account here. As I said, this is for the argument. This is credential to save the credential. And look how we authenticate with Azure. So we are using this default Azure credential, which is really flexible. It's try to different authentication methods automatically. So we create an object credential and the storage account, storage client with the storage management client, and which is need credential and subscription ID. Yeah, the subscription ID you can also get it from the website, from the Azure website. And this is the next step. We need to create, let's see, add the storage account parameters. So as you can see here, this is a standard, the standard, and his kind is blob store, and the location, tags, and properties. And this we already covered with when we created manually a storage account manually. Now this is the function to create the storage account. You can see here begin create, and I think if you already have this resource group, you can begin update. I think it should be update. Okay, begin. Okay, some other services there's also update, and you can also you can see begin create or delete. Let's see. You can also delete. Ah, so okay, or update. So I will try to use this one here, and this function begin create, it's need many let's see input, and you can see the resource group, the most important parameters resource group, storage account, and also the parameters which defined here. Now this is only the this is to create the account, and the other one, once our storage account is created, we need to connect to the blob service. So that's why we need this function here connect to the blob services. And the command line here, I mean, I added let's see a general way. So you need to add the the commands. So for me, I just have this one here. Okay, I will try to remove the. I will type this, and for the subscription ID, I have this subscription ID. Now the Python with the Python code, it's in, if I copy the relative path, would it work? Just try. Okay, it should work. Perfect. So I just get the file. Now I need the subscription ID. As you can see, I made all of this required. You, if you didn't need to make it required, you can remove this, and you have to give the default. Now the resource group is resource group demo01, the storage account. Let me call this 02 because I already have the name with this one. Now the location is SUC. Hit enter, and let's see if this will be created. So to create such services with Python or programmatically, it's an advantage, I would say it, not rather than creating manually. So you can see here, create a storage account, this name, in resource group, this name, storage account was created successfully. Perfect. So let's go back to the website, and let's see it's here. So the last, what was the name? The yeah, storage account. Yeah, so React. Let's see, refresh. This one here. You can see here. And if you see Python, there's no by DHS. This is our storage account was created by using Python. And this is also the name, the parameters, the attributes of this. Okay, then that's it for today. I will try to show you how to create a storage account via Azure Pipeline. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.